So what is Arken Finance's stop limit order? Why are they so important, but still not a very common feature to be found in automated market maker-based exchanges in DeFi? You'll find answers to these questions in this video. Arken Finance is the fastest, all-in-one, trading portal for DeFi traders. Our mission is to give traders better swapping experiences on any coin and token. Before going into the video, if you are not familiar with Arken Finance and would like to learn more about us, make sure you visit arken.finance to check out our platform or support us by joining our community on Discord and Telegram. Stop limit order seems to be one of the common key elements of any traditional and centralized exchanges. However, it is still not a very common feature to be found in automated market maker-based exchanges in DeFi. In the financial context, a stop limit order is an order to trigger a limit order to buy or sell once the stop price is reached. As their name states, there is a limit on the price at which they will execute. The best way to understand a stop limit order is to break it into parts. First is the stop price, which is the price that will trigger an action, and the second is the limit price. At this point, the trade will execute as long as it can be filled at the limit order price or better. But what's often occurred with the limit order tools offered now in the market is that the trade may not be executed. This can saddle the investor with a substantial loss in a fast market if the order does not get filled before the market price drops through the limit price. And this often agitates many DeFi traders using the stop limit order feature currently offered in the market. One of the reasons why sometimes stop limit orders are not executed is that most orders are done with an order book. In the order book method, buyers and sellers can either place an order to buy or sell at a specific price they are willing to trade, then the orders are executed when the lowest sell order and the highest buy order match. Sometimes in the case of an illiquid market, volatility occurs, leading to a larger gap in these buy and sell prices. So, the larger this gap is in exchange, the harder it is for orders to match, and the chance that stop limit orders are not executed also becomes higher. Furthermore, in many cases, the limited liquidity pool is also the problem. When the demands in the LP do not meet your order, it can result in eccentric prices, orders not triggering and transactions not executing as expected. So, for the first time ever in DeFi, Arken Finance has developed a stop limit for Automate Market Maker to help our users manage their risks and execute their strategies for assets in decentralized exchange. And this time, it guarantees significantly higher order execution. Here are what you will get from using Arken Finance Stop Limit Order. First, it is the fastest engine to respond to stop prices. Second, it significantly increases the chance of order execution by swapping on AMM protocols, which we integrated from several liquidity pools. No more order books, no more spreads. And last but not least, it is flexible and can be applied to several strategies for both buying and selling. But how does Arken Finance do that? Arken Finance has developed our stop limit order for AMM to utilize our two core technologies. First is the TX Flow. TX Flow is Arken's proprietary technology. It is designed to be the world's fastest blockchain indexing engine. With TX Flow, the stop limit order can detect the change in the price of any token and respond faster than anyone else. And once the limit order is triggered at the stop price, our best rate engine will come into play. Arken Best Rate Engine immediately executes the orders. Not just from a single liquidity pool, but we monitor the state of more than 15,000 pools on BNB chain and find the best price for that particular order, almost confirming that your order will definitely be executed. So what do you think about our stop limit order for AMM? Would you be interested to try and seeing how will it help with your trades? Maybe next time, you will be able to sleep in peace at night, not worrying about price fluctuations, because Arken will monitor your assets for you 24/7. Let us know what you think in the comment down below.